Can a helicopter fly on another planet? NASA's Ingenuity answered that with a bold yes. This 1.8-kilogram drone hitched a ride with the Perseverance rover, launching in 2020 and landing in Mars' Jezero crater in 2021 on April 19th. It made history achieving the first powered flight on Mars, hovering for 39 seconds in an atmosphere thinner than Earth's, with 1.2-meter carbon fiber blades, spinning at 2,400 RPM. Powered by solar panels, Ingenuity flew 72 times, covering 11 miles and soaring up to 79 feet. It scouted for Perseverance, hunting signs of ancient Martian life. Its mission ended in 2024, after a rotor broke in a rough landing. But Ingenuity's legacy? It proved flight beyond Earth is possible, blazing a trail for future aerial explorers. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to Strike Facts for daily uploads.